Hello guys, today's video is on UBTAN. For skin like this, keep watching the video till the end. First add 1 teaspoon curd, besan or chickpea of 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric, and half lemon. We are using half lemon for oily skin. For normal skin you have to use 12 to 13 drops. For sensitive skin 2 to 3 drops and half teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Then wash your face, dab it and then apply the mask. This mask is very good for removing fine hair, dead skin, sebum, any extra oil that is there on our skin, and it will leave our skin crystal clear. Then keep it on for 20 minutes. You can do anything you want. I watch my own videos. Relax yourself. And guys, do not apply this mask on your neck because your neck is very sensitive, and while extra scrubbing or extra massaging your neck will cause wrinkles. As you can see, the mask is dry. Remove it with dry hands in circular motion, as it will remove fine hair, blackhead, dead skin, and it will make your skin smooth. This is my favorite mask which I use whenever I am suffering from wrinkle or a tan. This mask is a gift from my mom because she only told me about it. Just 4 ingredients: curd, lemon, turmeric and chickpea flour. Then in circular motion with water, just scrub it off. It will help the mask to get clear from your skin and even dead skin. After that we have to apply aloe vera gel, because every hair removal treatment or any scrubbing that is harsh on our skin, we have to apply aloe vera gel because it will calm our skin and it will provide extra brightness. Ta-da! This is the skin we all want. So smooth and shiny. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Love you.